Look at this, though. It's really cool. What's going on, guys? It's Jake and Mike from SVG Tapes. Today it's bright and early. We're gonna head down to Hunt Valley, see some cool ass cars, and hopefully we'll be able to see some twin turbo Lamborghinis and some crazy ass R32 GTRs and Supras. And hopefully we'll see another S2000. That's what we're gonna take today. Let's get a start. Gotta get the Duncan.
Duncan, man.
Get the fucking Duncan. Fucking go to Cars and Coffee. Yeet!
We got the car, so you gotta get the coffee. Yeah.
Oh no!
What?
No!
What?
No! No! It's dripping everywhere.
Where is this coffee coming from?
Oh, yeah, boys? Yeah.
Boys and girls? If you haven't liked already, go like the video, comment, subscribe, get your coffee.
Oh, that's fucking sick, Porsche. Yeah.
Alright guys, just got here. Looks like a solid turnout today. Not too packed, but you know, parking in the back because we got here a little late. But all good though. Alright, we'll catch you guys out there.
Oh, you got a Holden? Basically a Chevy SS, but that's like Australian's version of it. Huh. It's a Fiesta ST. It's actually funny how like these things are like a mini rally car.
It's so compact.
Isn't it?
I would hate to work on it. No room to get your hand anywhere.
Oh man. Did it again. Damn, man. It's freaking cup,
That lid is dicking you over.
It is, man.
What's that? Volk?
Huh?
Volk? Volkswagen Volks? Volks on the Volks.
There's a Supra. Is that a Supra?
Yeah, it's looking mean. Big ass single.
Yep.
Have to. Hey, he's got his 1320 plate.
That's a huge tire on it. That's a biggie. Alright, so this is pretty cool. I think this is a 4th gen Viper, or 3rd gen, I can't remember. Look at this, though, it's really cool. Look at the intakes. That's pretty nuts.
It's crazy how much better it is.
Big old V10, man.
Look at the shift knob.
Oh, that's sick. Those interiors are so cool. Yeah, you see like the gauges and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, where's his exhaust at?
Where's the what?
The exhausts are usually on the the sides. I don't know where it's at. Oh, he's got 2 coming. Oh, I think these older ones are like that.
It's Dale Earnhardt and Jeff Gordon can say whatever you like.
That's sick.
Yeah. Alright.
Yep, keep it moving.
Alright, so this is where like old school muscle meets like old school Euro, I guess.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
Smashable.
That's an old 5.0 turbo, hood dump, and a Beamer. And the Beamer's super clean. Like stupid clean paint. No, it's pretty stock interior.
Just ripped out the back seats.
Like that's so. Oh, he still got exhaust.
It's a nice little diffuser for it too. It's clean. I like this color too.
Yeah, it's like really nice.
Oh, that's clever.
Yeah. That thing looks like a race car. Oh, dude, this Shelby though. Wow. Nate, where you at? Nate needs one of these. Oh, this is a new one. It's like a GT500, like a new one. GTR, have to. There's always at least one of these here. There's never not a GTR here.
Mine's right there on the bottom now.
Hey, he's got the nice
Right.
GTR. It's pretty stock, but it's got that midnight purple. No, that's not the midnight purple. I don't think. I think it's just a purple. Oh, it's a V-spec too. That's cool. It's R33. It's crazy. It's like stock.
Yeah. It really is. I think those are stock.
That's a T-top. That's a
What's the difference?
The flame.
Oh, the back part?
Oh, hell yeah, brother. Oh, damn, man.
Dude, that's crazy.
That's really fucking good, man. Got the classic iPod in there and everything.
Yeah, it does. Ooh, look at that color. That's crazy. Oh, Matt. Where are you at, though?
What's he got in it?
Oh, shit. It's a Z motor. Wow.
Wow. This one looks a lot different than yours, man.
Intercooler turbo. There's a Mitsubishi. That's crazy. Whoa. Look at that. It's got the slicks. It's freaking meat, dude. Nice. Oh, this truck looks nice.
What was she driving? She was driving.
Oh, yeah. So, correct me if I'm wrong. Is this not a Datsun motor?
Yeah, it was a 95.
That's a good question.
Because it looks just like it.
Yeah, it
But
does.
it's turbo. Got another S2000 next to the NSX.
Oh.
Comment if you're an old school or a new NSX kind of guy. But that thing looks sick.
White red dude classic.
Yep. You can get all that in the TLX. The A-Spec has that.
Beautiful.
Dude, this reminds me of the C8.
Yeah.
C8. Another S2000. Ford Lightning. That's crazy. Yeah, I've seen this guy here before. I don't know if this one is or not.
Yeah, my car's Carrera white.
Nah, I don't think it is. I think it's just in it.
They do have the metallic you don't have the sound, so like get yourself prepared. If you're not used to it, you gotta be like, you get a fast car on this side.
We about to go, yeah. Hold tight.
Like, you ready? And you're like, yeah. It's like, bam.
I like the accents.
There's no downshift. Sorry.
Oh yeah, it's a TJ one.
Right down both sides. The whole frame.
It's crazy.
It is, dude.
The whole frame.
Yeah, sure.
That's just
That's
again
amazing.
one of those like times where you're like, well, it's like the only like it's like it only makes sense in the time that we're living. So living in 2022 means that box body Mustangs have 2 JZs in them. Dude, my one guy I used to work with, he goes, I remember PDIing DeLoreans.
I'm gonna stop going and get some
Yeah,
snacks.
like brand new in the 80s. Isn't that something?
6.
That would be so
Can you
cool.
imagine
I have
PDIing
plenty
a
of time.
DeLorean? Got the Honda Beat.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have the K-Tro.
Wow.
Bruh,
Dude, that would be so fun.
it would.
Especially drifting around in the snow, too.
God, you probably roll the thing.
No. They're so low. Especially if you put some sand.
Wow, that's crazy looking. Look at that. That's nice. That's nice as hell.
Yeah, he did a fucking mint job.
Yeah. Dude, this is what I want my dad to build. I just want him
Oh,
to, I
fuck
want him to
yeah.
do something like this.
Dude, this would be so sick.
Yeah. Oh wait, this is the one with the what we think is the Datsun motor.
Oh, we didn't even see a catch can.
Oh, nice.
That's badass.
Oof.
Oof.
When did this get here? Look at that. That's
Look at
nice
all
as
that
shit.
gold. Wow, that serpentine looks insane.
Yeah, that's like the belt for the super
Accessory?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's
Dude, hell yeah.
comeback on those.
This is
Oh, yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Very clean.
I've got one of those cameras actually.
It's
Somebody
amazing.
gave it to me. I said, and I looked around and said, yeah, you can still get film. You can get film at Walmart for those.
How much power is it making?
Makes like
Hey, Pops?
350, 400.
Really?
much?
That's awesome. Nice.
Power?
Power. So on 10 pounds, it made 400. So
Nice.
we're
Awesome.
gonna up it, but that was just we did that Thursday night.
What size turbo is it?
62, 66.
Okay, awesome.
That's a monster on this thing.
Spoke steering wheel. They were wow. The Citroen is amazing. And I have another Citroen here.
What year is this?
Like
That's just cool. It really is. It's just like a once in a lifetime car.
Yeah, dude.
Probably,
Very, very
I
unique
don't
build.
think I'd ever see something like this again.
No. It's beautiful.
Is it from this? Like, did you get it from the States? Or did
it's not mine, but they were.
Oh, there's the man himself.
He's got a GoPro mounted to his handlebars.
Yeah, he just drives around and records.
lookout for daily content on our Instagram at 7 Valleys Garage.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Saw some crazy stuff at Carbon Coffee today. It was a really good turnout. Saw the Fox Body 2JZ card, the Turbo CRX K Series. That thing was really clean.
Yeah, it was really clean.
Yeah, we saw a bunch of crazy stuff. The Datsun, we saw
Yeah,
an old Chevy with like some inline 6 motor with a turbo. I don't know what it was, but it was cool. And yeah, a lot of clean Corvettes, Mustangs, and you know, your normal stuff you see down there.
Yeah. Hunt Valley Horsepower, Cars and Coffee.
Horsepower, shout out to him.
Yeah,
that guy's awesome.
Yeah, he's an awesome dude. Go follow him if you haven't on Instagram.
Yeah.
Hunt Valley Horsepower.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
We'll
Thanks.
see you guys next Wednesday.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Look at bed. Look at this bed. Look at this bed.
Hey, where's Batman?
Because that's Rob.
Alright. It's a nice, beautiful day out here today. Look at that fat ass Robin!
Holy, dude.
Jesus Christ, just lay off the whims.
Yeah, king in the front yard.
All of my whims are in your belly. You know why? Been out here since 2 a.m. Early bird gets the whim out.
Hey, I know you. Alright, I'll take the plate. Wait, I need the pit vipers.
Hey, you know what's cool about race cars? What? You spell race car backwards, it spells race car. Woo! Yeah. And you know why race cars are always lit? Why? Because race car? Yeah, because race cars. Race car. But you know why tracks are also lit? Why? Because race cars are lit. I guarantee I can drive all 4 of these cars just as fast as this through here. Oh yeah, It's all about the driver, man. Yep. Well, Pennsylvania shit. Watch out for the tractor.
Oh no, what the fuck? Grab your rag.
Oh, God damn it.
There you go, mate.
Don't look at me in that tone of voice.
Where is this coffee coming from? Spilling it everywhere.
Dude, the coffee's coming from the fucking coffee cup. Inserts loudest sipping noises.
Mm-hmm.